Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
So anyway, this one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. My love, ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Matt. Good day, DJ Lala. Gusto ko lang po makarinig ng advice galing sa'yo. Ako po ay iyong tagapakinig. Dito ako nabubulol eh. Anyway, okay lang din naman kung hindi mo ito mapansin. Tawagin nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Matt. Ako yung babaeng palagi na lang iniiwan. Sabi nila, maganda naman daw ako, inside and out. Maraming nanliligaw sa akin, but yung napipili kong lalaki is sa una lang interesado sa akin. 2 beses na akong iniwan, DJ Lala. Una is 2 months lang kami, pero matagal akong makamove on kasi first love ko. And after 3 years, at my healing stage, I met a man na akala ko sure na. Minsan lang kami nagkakasama kasi strict yung parents ko at di pa pwede sa kanila ang makipagrelasyon ako kapag di pa ako nakakatapos ng pag-aaral. Pero pinaliwanag ko naman na before ko sila payagan naman ligaw, they said naiintindihan naman daw nila ako. And after 2 weeks na naging kami, hiniwalayan na naman ako. And the reason is katulad ng ex ko, nawala daw yung love niya para sa akin. Hanggang ngayon marami akong doubts kung ano ba talaga ako. Kung kaiwan-iwan ba talaga ako, kung kamahal-mahal ba talaga ako, kung ano ba talaga ang intensyon nila kung bakit nililigawan nila ako. Kasi kahit strict naman yung parents ko, gumagawa naman ako ng paraan para makasama siya. Pag busy ako sa schoolworks, magsaset ako ng time para sa kanya. In the end, nawala pa rin yung love niya para sa akin. Yung mga pinangako niya na hindi niya ako iiwan tulad ng ex ko, di niya tinupad. Masakit, DJ Lala, after 3 years before ako makipagrelasyon at magtiwala ulit, tapos iiwan din pala ako. He helped me with what happened in my past and now he is the reason why I am in the healing stage again. Ano po bang gagawin ko? Payuhan mo naman ako. I still love him. Gusto ko siyang bumalik sa akin. Ano po ba ang gagawin para magstay siya sa akin? My love, ganito, no, Matt, let's go straight to the point. My love, you have to realize that you cannot, in your current situation, keep a relationship. Not because hindi ka kamahal-mahal, not because you are not worthy of love, but because in your situation, you just can't. Meron kang parents that won't allow you to be in a relationship because kailangan mo pang tapusin yung pag-aaral mo. So everything else na ginagawa mo when you're in a relationship is basically tumatakas ka. Just to maintain that relationship, you are lying to your parents. You are using your friends to lie to your parents. You are hiding your boyfriend away from the public because you have this fear na kapag may nakatunog na may jowa ka, yari ka sa magulang mo. So do you see how difficult a relationship that would be? If ipipilit natin na magkaroon ka ng relasyon just because you want to feel loved, valued, pretty. Naiintindihan mo ako, my love? I'm not saying you are not all of those. I'm saying you are. Pero I don't want you kasi na dinedepend mo yung ganda mo, yung pagiging valuable mo, yung worth mo sa mata ng iisang taong makaka-appreciate sa'yo. I get it. Masarap sa pakiramdam pag minamahal ka ng tao. Masarap sa pakiramdam kapag nililigawan ka ng lalaki. Masarap sa pakiramdam kapag may lalaking, alam mo yun, tinitignan ka in a different way. With certain adoration, gandang-ganda sa'yo, everything, all that jazz, yung lahat ng nakakakilig part, I understand. That must be a fulfilling na scenario sa'yo or experience sa'yo. Pero there's a proper time to it kasi, my love, eh. It's not you entirely that they are leaving behind. It's the situation you are in. Yes, naiintindihan nila because they wanna be with you. They wanna try and work things out with you. Kasi you are interesting. Kasi ikaw ay someone na nakaka-attract. Pero when you are in a relationship, you have to keep in mind that you are also committing to someone. There's a certain responsibility that you have to do. And in his case, hindi niya ma-fulfill fully yung responsibilidad niya sa'yo kasi obviously, hindi ka pa pwedeng magka-jowa. Alam mo naman, sa panahon ngayon, my love, isa sa nakakalalaki sa lalaki ay being able to show not only his friends, his family, but your family as well, na he loves you. Hindi niya magawa yung gestures na yun eh. Ihatid ka sa bahay, sunduin ka sa bahay, o kaya in this case, dahil may mga kasama tayo sa studio, ipagmayabang ka pag meron silang laban ng basketball, andun ka, nanunood, nag-cheer para sa kanila. They cannot do that with you. Pero kasi meron kang restraint. So do not get me wrong, it's not about you. It's about the situation you are in that's making it so difficult para sa mga lalaking to stay in a relationship with you. So I suggest, i-focus mo muna yung sarili mo to things that really matter as of the moment, and that is your studies. Pag-aaral mo muna, my love. Tapusin mo muna yan. Or better yet, kung talagang jowang-jowa ka na. Kung talagang sa puso mo, ay gusto ko na po talagang mag-jowa, Diyos ko Lord. Kung gusto mo na talaga, my love, ask permission from your parents. Huwag kang tumakas. Huwag mo silang itago. Kasi some guys do want to be flaunted. Siyempre gusto din nilang maging secure sa masculinity nila at gusto nilang maipagmayabang. That is something that you need to offer as well if you want to be committed to someone. Kung tayong mga babae gustong-gusto nating ipinagmamayabang, kaya nga tayo nag-aayos, di ba? Kaya tayo nagpapaganda, kaya tayo nagsusuot ng bago fitting sa atin because somehow we want to be shown off to people. Sila din. They don't want to be hidden. Especially when it's true. Especially when they truly love you, ayaw nilang magtago. So my love, stop questioning your worth. Just because these guys failed to hold on long enough hanggang maging brave ka na ipakilala sila sa magulang mo. Huwag mong i-quantify yung sarili mong pagkatao dahil lang may iilang bumigay at hindi nakapaghintay hanggang kaya mo nang ipagmalaki sila sa magulang mo at sa buong mundo. Huwag ka magmadali, my love. Hindi naman porket single ka, mag-isa ka, ibig sabihin malungkot ka. Being alone doesn't always mean you have to be lonely. Sometimes, you just have to focus on yourself, what's important now, and then deal with other things later. It's never gonna be too late when it comes to love. Ilagay mo lang siya sa tamang panahon, tamang pagkakataon. Yung hindi tinatago, yung ipinapangalandakan. Klaro? Klaro.